Welcome to Prudent News. Now look at the headlines. Government empowers Mines Department to sign mining leases. Department to lift suspension on legal mines. Cabinet dissolves Kandepar Committee. Victim girls at Kampal dance bar were brought by the accused. Middleman escapes during police raid. Akhilesh Yadav suspends his arrested MLA. Pune police raids Sanatan Sanstha Ashram at Ramnati, takes Sandeep Shinde into custody for probe into Dabolkar murder case. Rupee breaks past 68, gold price is 34,000 per gram, diesel price is likely to hike. GPCC confident to resume mining within 2 months, criticizes Parrikar on dormancy over mining issue. And now the news in detail. Government has authorized the Mines Directorate to sign leases with miners who have paid the stamp duty. The department has been empowered to lift suspension of these leases. However, mining will resume only after the consent of the Supreme Court and other clearances. Government has also dissolved the Kandepar Committee. The State Cabinet on Wednesday approved special infrastructure development scheme for the panchayats. Chief Minister briefed media.
Leases जे आम्ही नोटीस दिवन प्रायमरी अप्रुवल दिवन ज्यांचे पैसे घेतलेले तांच्यो लिजीस साइन करपाचो अधिकार सरकारान डायरेक्शन परत डायरेक्टर ऑफ मायन्स एंड जिओलॉजीक दिल्लो आहा. I have also directed that they should relax the earlier ban of the government to that particular lease. Operation of actual mine will depend on Supreme Court order. These mines can be operated within the legal limits. There are more. We are studying more. RMS Kandeparkar committee dissolve केली गेली. This is policy for regulating the mining dumps encroach upon government and private lands and related issues. For private, the value comes to 122 rupees per square meter. Government will confiscate it if you don't apply. हिशोबान जर September, October भितर कोर्टाचो डिसिजन जाल्यार November, December actual physical export will start.
Meanwhile, the government has approved infrastructure development scheme for panchayats providing assistance of 1 crore each. Government will also regularize existing 198 class for staff from the GMC, Health Department and IPHB.
सरकारान आमकां 35 कोटी मंजूर केल्ले. तातूंत दर वर्सा एक 20-20 कोटीची भर घालची आनी फुडल्या 4 वर्षांत सगळे 190 पंचायतींक 1-1 कोटी दिवन 5 वर्सां पयलीं पासून 10, 12, 13 वर्सां वावुरलेले 198 नंबर ऑफ क्लास 4 स्टाफ आसलो. गव्हर्मेंटान हे पोस्ट क्रिएट केल्यात 198 आनी जे क्रिएट केल्यात ते तांकांच एकोमोडेट करपाक. म्हणजे केन्ना केन्ना दोतोराचेर प्रायवेट प्रॅक्टीस करणाऱ्याचेर हात उखलप, मोडतोड जावप अशें जें आसा तांकां एक प्रोटेक्शन दिणारे बिल येणाऱ्या विधानसभेत येतले. मंत्रिमंडळान संमती दिली आज.
गोवा बीच चेक पॉलिसी ही 90% शेकां जे एक्सपिरियन्स जे लोक आसा हांकां खातीर हांकां मेळटली. 10% जी शेकां आसा ही नवे भुरगे जे एप्लाय करतले तांकां आसा. ही शेकां 3 वर्सां खातीर आसा. प्रत्येक शेकाक टॉयलेट हें कंपल्सरी आसपाक जाय. CCTV हें कंपल्सरी करपाक जाय आनी 30 दिसाची फुटेज जी आसा ही तांच्यांनी दिवपाक जाय.
फॉरेनराक शेकाचेर काम करपाक मेळना असो स्पेसिफीक क्लॉज भितर घाला. इवन इफ ही हॅज अ बिझनेस विसा. सगळ्या कोस्टल आमदारांची काल संध्याकाळी 6 वाजता माझ्या रेजिडेन्सला मीटिंग झालेली आहे. त्यांचे सगळ्यांचे जे काय इश्यूज ऑफ कन्सर्न होते ते ॲड्रेस केलेले आहे. इफ समवन वॉन्ट्स टू गो टू कोर्ट, हाऊ कॅन आय स्टॉप समवन गोइंग फ्रॉम कोर्ट?
Laukik Shilkar with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar for Prudent.
Probe in Kampal dance bar case has revealed that the arrested Samajwadi Party MLA from Uttar Pradesh, Mahendra Kumar Singh, and his companions had brought the girls with them from Delhi. Panji police has identified the middleman who had arranged the girls for the MLA as Baldev Raj. Baldev succeeded to escape during the raid. UP CM Akhilesh Yadav has suspended the disgraced MLA.
Further investigation has revealed that the arrested Samajwadi Party MLA Mahendra Kumar Singh and his 5 companions had come to Goa on 24th of August and were staying in a hotel at Kandoli. They had brought the 6 victim girls with them from Delhi. During the interrogation, accused have said to the police that middleman Baldev Raj, a resident of Delhi, had arranged the girls for them. It is Baldev Raj who had arranged Mujra for them at Hotel Viva Goa. Baldev Raj had succeeded to escape during the raid and is still on the run. Meanwhile, Corporation of City of Panji on Wednesday issued show cause notice to Hotel Viva Goa for illegal construction of 5th floor when Mujra was going on.
It was found that the open terrace had been converted into 2 rooms. Both rooms were furnished with beds as well as air conditioned. There were 2 attached toilets to these rooms. This has been recorded. We will issue a show cause to the owner of the premises for this illegal extension on the terrace.
Chief Minister of UP Akhilesh Yadav suspended MLA Mahendra Singh for being accused under anti-prostitution law. Reporter Mukesh Kumar with video journalist Sushant Pearl for Prudent.
Special team of Pune police has taken into custody one Sandeep Shinde from Sanatan Sanstha Ashram at Ramnati. Pune police team has come down to Goa in connection with Narendra Dabolkar murder case. Pune police has not revealed the purpose behind taking Shinde's custody or his role in the case.
A special team of Pune police on Wednesday evening visited Sanatan Sanstha Ashram at Ramnati. Ponda police was also assisting Pune police team. Later, police took Sandeep Shinde into custody for interrogation in connection with Narendra Dabolkar murder case. 31-year-old Sandeep Shinde is a native of Pune.
संदीप शिंदे यांना आज चौकशीसाठी ते पुण्याला घेऊन गेले कारण संदीप शिंदे मूळ पुण्यातलाच आहे आणि तिथे त्यांना सांगितलं वाटतं कोणीतरी तो इथे असतो म्हणून.
आपल्याला पण बोलवलं होतं?
नाही, मी स्वतःहूनच आलो कारण ते घेऊन जाणार होते. तर म्हटलं इथे प्रोसिजर व्यवस्थित सगळी होऊन त्याला कोंढा पोलीस ठाण्यात सगळं त्यांनी कागदपत्र सादर करून घेऊन जावं जेणेकरून इथून आमच्या आश्रमातून एका व्यक्तीला ते घेऊन जात आहे त्याची नोंद कुठेतरी व्हावी ते बघण्यासाठीच आलो होतो. डॉक्टर दाबोलकर यांच्या हत्येच्या प्रकरणात सनातन संस्थेचा खूप मोठ्या प्रमाणात अपप्रचार केलेला आहे आणि सनातनच्याच कुणीतरी ही हत्या केलेली असेल म्हणजे त्यांच्यावरच आरोप करून संशयाची सुई सगळी सनातनकडे वळवलेली आहे. हे त्यांचंच कटकारस्थान आहे आणि त्या अंतर्गत मग राजकीय दबावाला बळी पडून पोलीस सनातन संस्थेच्या साधकांची चौकशी करत आहेत. पोलीसही राजकीय दबावापोटी सगळी चौकशी वगैरे करतात. महाराष्ट्रातही काही साधकांची अशी चौकशी होती आहे आणि हा सगळा राजकीय दबाव आहे.
मुकेश कुमार and Vivek Prabhu for Prudent.
Rupee bridges past 68. Gold prices climbed to cross 34,000 per 10 grams. Diesel prices may also see a hike of 3 rupees per litre soon. This is the panicky situation on Wednesday following continuing fall of rupee in the international market. There is a rising fear that this would volatile global markets and rupee may breach 70 per dollar mark soon.
The rupee breached past 68 per dollar and shares tumbled on Wednesday on growing worries that foreign investors will continue to sell out of a country facing stiff economic challenges and volatile global markets.
They are helpless before the forces of the market, and the result is that the market is behaving pretty much as it likes.
Continuing its rising streak, gold prices climbed to cross rupees 34,100 per 10 gram for the first time ever in futures trade on Wednesday as the rupee tumbled to hit an all-time low of 68.80 amid a firming trend overseas. Meanwhile, diesel prices were likely to see a hike of at least rupees 3 a litre after the monsoon session of Parliament ends next week. As the depreciating rupee threatens to widen the government's fuel subsidy bill, petroleum companies have already hinted at this hike.
एज पर द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया डिसीजन हम जो हर महीने 50 पैसे के करीब बढ़ाते हैं प्राइस, वो हम कंटिन्यू रखेंगे।
ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट, Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.